Quantower versus NinjaTrader. Which trading tool is right for you? Are you trying to choose between Quantower or NinjaTrader? Here's what you need to know. Quantower is a modern multi-asset trading platform. It supports crypto, forex, stocks, and features, all in one place. Its clean interface, advanced charting, and customizable workspaces make it great for active traders. It's also broker agnostic, meaning you can connect it to many different brokers. NinjaTrader, on the other hand, is a powerful platform mainly focused on futures and forex trading. It's known for its advanced analytics, backtesting, and automation tools. While it offers a free version, most useful features like advanced charting and order flow analysis require a paid license. So, which one is right for you? If you want flexibility across asset classes and a sleek user experience, Quantower is a strong choice. But if you're focused on futures and want pro-level tools and strategy automation, go with NinjaTrader without giving it a second thought. And thanks for watching.